Have a good day. Is there any comments, questions, challenges? All right. Sounds like I nailed it. You can all go back to signing your little blue forms, everybody. That's where you can find it.
Thank you, Dave. I've listened to Dave at a couple conferences over the years. Always enlightening, always educational, and my gut always hurts afterwards from laughing so stinking hard. So thank you, Dave. We're blessed to have you here. We'll be able to hear from him a little later. So basically from now until about 10 o'clock, we can mix and mingle and do all the things. I wanted to point out a few things. We're going to have some snacks and things provided here, sponsored by Costco's, Geraldine's, Grocery Outlet, and Professional Sales and Service. To that end, we'll go to that point. Questions, comments, concerns? Absolutely. If I can figure this out here. Right there. All right, there's that QR code. I had to chuckle. Dave mentioned ketamine 14 times. And I, like Dave, am a big fan of ketamine. So much so that I had a bumper sticker that said, I heart ketamine. You know who else is really interested in ketamine? Idaho State Police is really interested in ketamine. So better living through the off-label vitamin K and register. Thanks, guys.
That one of the banks might have a